Hi friends, welcome back to Hot and Sweet. Just look at this, juicy, spicy, and perfectly buttery. Today, we are making the ultimate spicy, savory Kheema Pav. It's the perfect comfort meal. And right at home. Let's get started. The meat, 500 grams minced mutton or chicken, washed and drained. Onions, 3 large. Tomatoes, 1. Ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Green chilies, 3. Turmeric, 1 teaspoon. Red chili powder, 1 tablespoon. Coriander powder, 1.5 tablespoons. Garam masala, 1 tablespoon. Fresh mint, coriander leaves, lime, butter, ladi pav, toasted with plenty of butter and a pinch of chili powder. Here I have dried the water out of keema by adding little salt and turmeric. Heat 2 tablespoons oil and 1 tablespoon butter in a pan. Add the onions and saute until they are a beautiful golden brown. Add turmeric, salt to taste, ginger, garlic paste, garam masala, green chili paste, diced tomatoes. Cook until the oil starts to separate. Add the minced meat. Turn the heat to high and saute for 5 to 7 minutes. You want to break up any lumps so the meat is grainy and well coated in spices. Cover and cook on low heat for 10 to 15 minutes until the meat is tender and the moisture has mostly evaporated, leaving a semi-dry consistency. Finish with a handful of chopped mint, coriander, and a squeeze of lime. Don't forget that final knob of butter. And there you have it, my signature hot and sweet style Kheema Pav. The kitchen smells absolutely incredible right now. Just look at that color and texture. It's spicy, it's buttery, and it's so easy to make. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Hot and Sweet. Let me know in the comments. Do you like your keema with or without peas? Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking!